Good morning, children. Children, in our previous classes, we learned how to rotate a given shape 90 degree clockwise, anti-clockwise, 180 degree clockwise and anti-clockwise around the center of rotation as origin, that is 0, 0. Okay. Today we are going to learn how to rotate a given shape 90 degree clockwise around a point, not the origin. Children, here the center of rotation is not the origin. Okay. So let me explain this first. Children, when we are rotating a given shape 90 degree clockwise, we have to apply a rule, that is the point x, y becomes y negative x. Y negative x. If the center of rotation is 0, 0, that is the origin. But here in the given shape, the center of rotation is not the origin. Okay, center of rotation is not the origin. So we can't apply the rule, that is xy becomes y negative x. Okay, the rule is when we rotate a figure of 90 degrees clockwise, each point of the given figure has to be changed from, that is xy becomes y negative x. Y negative x. Negative x means opposite of x. Okay. But here the center of rotation is not the origin. Origin ആണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് ഈ റൂൾ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. So we can't take the center of rotation as 0, 0. Okay. So we can't apply this rule also. That is xy becomes y negative x. So first we have to mark the center of rotation. Children, now we are going to rotate the triangle, the given triangle. This is the given triangle. This is the given triangle clockwise around the point 1, 1. This is the center of rotation. 1, 1. Okay. So first we have to plot the given points. Plot the points. That is A is 2, negative 2. The point A is 2, negative 2. Plot the point and label it as A. And B is 3, negative 3. 3, negative 3. Okay. And C is 1, negative 5. 1, negative 5. First plot the points and join the points. This is our object. Okay. This is our object. Now children, we have to rotate this shape 90 degrees clockwise around the point 1, negative 1. 1, sorry children, 1, 1. 1, 1. This is the center of rotation. Okay. Center of rotation is 1, 1. Here the center of rotation is not origin. Okay. So imagine that this is our origin. Imagine നമ്മൾ ഈ പോയിന്റ് നമ്മുടെ ഒറിജിൻ ആയിട്ട് വിചാരിക്കും. 1, 1. Okay. This is our origin. And make a new x-axis and y-axis through this point. Okay. Through this point. ഒരു എക്സ് ആക്സിസും വൈ ആക്സിസും വരയ്ക്കണം. Okay, here we are imagining this point as our origin. This is our origin, and draw x-axis and y-axis through the origin. New origin. New origin is 1, 1. Okay. Now, using this new x-axis and y-axis, find the coordinates of A, B and C. A, B and C. Okay. So, this is our origin. Imagine this is our origin. Using this origin, we have to find the coordinates of A, B and C. Not the original coordinates, children. Now, A is here, start from here, 1 unit right and 3 units down. Okay, 1 units right means 1, that is on x-axis, and down means y-axis, negative y-axis. So it is -3. A is 1, -3. That is our new coordinates. Okay. Now find B from here, from this point. Again, one, 2, that is 2 units to the right. Okay, right means positive x-axis, and from here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units down. Down means negative y-axis. So it becomes 2, -4. B becomes 2, -4. Okay. Now, find the new coordinate of C. This is our origin. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units down. Okay. This point is on the imaginary y-axis. So, the coordinate of C is 0, -6. Any point on y-axis has x coordinate 0. Okay. So, the new coordinate of C is 0, -6. Okay. Now, we have to apply the rule. That is, when we rotate a figure of 90 degrees clockwise, each point of the given figure has to be changed from xy to y -x. xy to y -x. Okay. Apply the rule. So, find A dash. A dash becomes y -x. Here y is -3. So, -3, -1. A dash -3, -1. Okay. Then find B dash. B dash, that is y -x. Y is -4. Opposite of 2, -2. -4, -2. And find C. -6, 0. Opposite of 0 is 0 itself. Okay. So, these are the coordinates of our image. That is -3, -1, -4, -2 and -6, 0. Okay. Now we have to plot these coordinates on the coordinate grid. Children, you should count from the new origin, that is from the point 1, 1. From the point 1, 1. Okay. Let us start from here. Now we are finding the point -3, -1. -3 means 3 units left on x-axis. 3 units left on x-axis. So, 1, 2, 3. 3 units left on x-axis, and -1 means 1 unit down on y-axis. 1 unit down. So, this is our A dash. A dash. Okay. You should count the distance, the squares from the new origin, that is 1, 1. This is very important. Now find the next coordinate, that is B. B is 2, -4. B is 2, -4. So children, start from here, from this point. Sorry children, B is -4, -2. -4 means 4 units to the left side. 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units to the left side, and -2 means 2 units down. 2 units down. So 1, 1, 2. This is B dash. B dash. Now find C dash. Okay, C dash. That is, the coordinate is -60. -60 means 6 units to the left on x-axis. X-axis. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here y is 0. So this point is on x-axis. This is C dash. Okay. Now join these points. A dash B dash, A dash C dash, and C dash B dash. This is our image. Okay. So children, here the center of rotation is not the origin. So we can't apply the rule xy becomes y -x. Okay. So first we have to follow certain steps, that is, take the center of rotation as 1, 1. It is given. Okay. 1, 1. Then imagine this is the origin. Okay. Imagine this is our origin, and make a new x-axis and a y-axis. Using the new x-axis and y-axis, find the coordinates of A, B and C. Okay. Using the new x-axis, ഈ x-axisഉം y-axisഉം യൂസ് ചെയ്യണം. എന്നിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ABC ഈ പോയിൻറ്റ്സിന് ന്യൂ കോർഡിനേറ്റ്സ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ. Using the new coordinates, okay, using the new axis, we can find the coordinates of A, B and C. Okay. Now we can apply the rule, that is, xy becomes y -x. Y -x. But you should count from the point 1, 1. That is the center of rotation. Okay. Let me explain this once again, children. This is our given shape. It is a triangle. The name of the triangle is ABC. Okay, here the center of rotation is 1, 1. This is the center of rotation. First, you should mark the point 1, -1. Plot that point. Okay. Now, we have to draw new axis. Now, this is our origin. Imagine that this is our origin. ഓക്കെ, ഇത് നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ കോർഡിനേറ്റ് ഗ്രിഡിൻ്റെ ഒറിജിനായിട്ട് വിചാരിക്കണം. നൗ ഡ്രോ y-axis and x-axis through this point. Okay, that is our new x-axis and new y-axis. First mark this point. Imagine this is our origin and draw x-axis and y-axis through this point. Now we have to find our new coordinates of A, B and C. Okay, let us start from this point. Here 1 unit right. Children, each square is 1 unit, that is 1 centimeter. 1 unit right and 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. 3 units down means which is -3. Okay, on y-axis up means positive and down means negative. On x-axis right means positive, left means negative. Okay. Now find B. B is 2 units right, 2 units right and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units down. So -4. Okay. Then find C. C is a point on y-axis. Okay. C is a point on y-axis. A point on y-axis means its x coordinate 0. X coordinate 0. Now find the distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, -6. Okay. These are the new coordinates of A, B and C. A, B and C. Now we have to apply the rule. Okay. What is the rule, children? XY becomes Y -x. Y -x. So 1 -3 becomes -3 -1. -3 -1. Right? Y first, then opposite of x. That is y -x. Okay. Then 2 -4 becomes -4 -2. -4 -2. Y -x. X is 2. So -x means -2. Then C becomes -6 0. These are the coordinates according to the rule. -3 -1. Okay, -4 -2, -6 0. Sorry. Now we have to plot the points. But children, when you are plotting these points, you should take the distance from this point, that is 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. നമ്മുടെ ഇമാജിനറി ഒറിജിൻ വേണം നമ്മൾ ഈ പോയിൻറ്റ്സ് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ. ഓക്കെ. -3 മീൻസ് ഓൺ എക്സ് ആക്സിസ് 3 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3. And negative 1 means 1 unit down. 1 unit down. So this is A dash. Okay. Now find B dash. B dash. That is negative 4, negative 2. Negative 4 means on x-axis 4 units to the left side. Okay. Negative 4 on x-axis 4 units to the left side. So start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units to the left. And negative 2 means 2 units down. So 1, 2. 2 units down. This is B dash. Clear? Next is negative 6, 0. Negative 6, 0 means here the y coordinate is 0. So this point is on x-axis. Negative x-axis. Since x is negative, it is on the left side. Okay. So always count from the center of rotation, that is 1, 1. 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is C dash. Now join these points A dash B dash, A dash C dash and C dash B dash. This is our image. Okay. Let me explain one more example, children. Here we are rotating the given shape 90 degree clockwise. Here the center of rotation is 2, 2. It is given in the question. Center of rotation is 2, 2. Okay. Which is our first step, children? First, we have to plot the center of rotation. Center of rotation is 2, 2. Okay. So, plot 2, 2 first. 2 from x-axis and 2 from y-axis. This is the center of rotation. Clear? Now, we have to imagine this is our origin. Okay. And draw our new y-axis and x-axis. Okay, this is our second step. X-axis and y-axis. Now what is the next step? Plot the new coordinates. New coordinates. See, this is the given shape. Given shape is PQR. A triangle. Okay. PQR. Now we have to find the new coordinates. So for finding the new coordinates, you should start from the center of rotation. This is the center of rotation. Okay. So children, start from here. First find P, 1 unit left on x-axis. So negative 1. 1 unit left and 1, 2, 3. 3 units up. Up means positive y-axis. So P is negative 1, 3. Okay. This is our new coordinates according to the new center of rotation. Okay. Now find the coordinate of Q. Coordinates of Q. Okay. Q is, start from here. Q is 1 unit right. Right means positive 1. Then 3 units up. So 1, 3. That is Q. 1, 3. Okay. Now find R. find R. R is on the y-axis. Sorry children, R is on the x-axis. So its y coordinate is 0 and it is 1 unit to the left. Okay. So left means R. 1 unit left means -1 and it is on x-axis. So its y coordinate is 0. So these are the new coordinates of P, Q and R. Okay. Now what is the next step? We have to apply the rule. What is the rule? To rotate 90 degree clockwise, xy becomes y negative x. Xy becomes y negative x. So P dash becomes 3 and opposite of -1 is +1. 3, 1. Okay. Next Q dash is y negative x. So 3, -1. Q dash. Okay. Now find R dash. 0, 1. 0, 1. Okay. R is -1, 0. So y negative x means opposite of x. That is opposite of -1 is 1. Okay. So R dash is 0, 1. Now what is our next step? We have to plot these points. That is P dash, Q dash and R dash. Okay. Plot these points. P dash, Q dash and R dash. When we are plotting these points, take distance from the center of rotation, that is 2, 2. This is our center of rotation, 2, 2. Always count from this point. Okay. Count from this point, that is from 2, 2. Okay. So children, our new coordinates are 3, 1, that is P dash, and then Q dash 3, -1 and R dash 0, 1. So P dash 3, 1. So from the center of rotation 3 to the right side, 1, 2, 3 and 1. Since it is +1, 1 unit up. This is P dash. 3, 1. Start from here. 1, 2, 3. That is 3 units to the right and 1 unit up. That is 3, 1. Okay. Now Q dash. That is 3, -1. Q dash. 3, -1. So start from this point, center of rotation, which is 3, -1. So 3 units to the right side, 1, 2, 3 units to the right side and 1 unit down. Since it is -1, 1 unit down. So this is Q dash. Okay. Now children, R dash. R dash is 0, 1. 0, 1. Since the x coordinate is 0, R dash is on y-axis. So 1 unit up from the center of rotation. This is R dash. Now our next step is we have to join these points. That is P dash, Q dash and R dash. And this is our image. Okay. Let me explain this once again, children. First, we have to find the center of rotation. Here the center of rotation is given as 2, 2. It is given 2, 2. Okay. This is the center of rotation. Okay. Now, children, we have to plot this. Now draw our new x-axis and y-axis through this point. Imagine that this is our origin. Okay, this is our origin. Using this origin, we have to find the new coordinates for P, Q and R. P, Q and R. Okay. So children, the new coordinates are, start from here. First we are finding P, 1 unit to the left, so -1, and 3 units up. 3 units up, so -1, 3. This is P. Next find Q. Q. Okay. Q is 1 unit to the right, 1 unit to the right, that is 1, positive 1, and 3 units up, so 1, 3. 1, 3. Okay. Next find R. R is on. Children, this is R. It is on x-axis. Any point on x-axis has y coordinate 0. This is R. So, -1, 0. 1 unit to the left. Okay. Since it is on x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. So, it is -1, 0. So, these are the new coordinates of P, Q and R according to our center of rotation. That is our new origin and the new x-axis and y-axis. Clear? Now, we have to apply the rule. The rule is xy becomes y negative x. Xy becomes y negative x. So, children, P dash becomes 3, 1. P is 1, 3. So, P dash becomes 3 and the opposite of x. Opposite of x means opposite of -1, 1. Okay. Then Q dash 3, -1, y negative x. Now R 0, 1. Okay. 0, 1. These are the coordinates of the image. Here we applied the rule, that is xy becomes y negative x. Okay. Now we have to plot the new points. When we are plotting the new points, you should count the units from the new origin. That is 2, 2. Okay. P dash is 3, 1. 3, 1. 3 means 3 units to the right side. So, from here 1, 2, 3 and 1 means 1 unit up. So, this is P dash. Now, find Q dash. Q dash is 3, -1. Again 3 units 3 units right, and negative 1 means 1 unit down. So this is Q dash. Okay. Now R dash, that is 0, 1. 0, 1 means R dash is on y axis since the x coordinate is 0. Okay. It is 1 unit up. 1 unit up. So from here 1 unit up. This is R dash. Now children, we have to join these points R dash, P dash and Q dash. This is our image. After a rotation of 90 degree clockwise, and the center of rotation is 2, 2. Okay. So children, here we are rotating the given shape 90 degree clockwise around a point, not the origin. Here the center of rotation is given. Okay. Center of rotation is given. So children, first we have to take the center of rotation as our origin, new origin. Okay. Imagine the center of rotation, that is new point, as our origin, and make a new x-axis and y-axis through the origin. Using the new x-axis and y-axis and take the center of rotation as the origin, find the new coordinates for the given points, given vertices. Okay. Using this, we have to apply the rule, that is xy becomes y negative x. Okay. So children, first plot the center of rotation. Imagine this is our origin and make the new x-axis and y-axis through this origin. Using the new x-axis and y-axis, find the coordinates of the given figure, vertices of the given figure. Now apply the rule, that is xy becomes y negative x. Okay, and plot the points. When we are plotting the points, you should take the distance from the center of rotation. Okay, from the center of rotation. This point is very important, children. Children, listen this video carefully. These topics are new for you, so listen this carefully. If you have any doubt about these topics, please send me a message. Hope you all understood this. Thank you, children.